Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change Wi-Fi roaming sensitivity. To start, right-click on the Start menu and open the Device Manager. Now in Network Adapters, double-click on the Wi-Fi driver. You will go to the Advanced tab, and there you will select the line Roaming Sensitivity. From the side panel, display the value options and choose the level you want for your Wi-Fi network. Finally, click on OK to complete this change in sensitivity. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.